How to deactivate Instagram account. Deactivating your Instagram account is different from deleting it permanently. When you deactivate your account, you temporarily hide your profile, photos, comments, and likes from other users. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in with your username and password. When you delete your account, you permanently erase your profile, photos, comments, likes, and followers from Instagram. You will not be able to recover your account or use the same username again. To deactivate your Instagram account, you need to use a web browser and visit the Instagram profile editing page. There, you will need to log in with your username and password. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, click on Edit Profile, scroll down, and click on Temporarily Disable My Account in the bottom right corner. You will then need to select a reason for disabling your account from the drop-down menu, re-enter your password, and click on the Temporarily Disable Account button. This will hide your account and all your data from Instagram until you log back in. I hope this helps you understand how to deactivate your Instagram account.